Bluey kicked the shiny red ball so hard it zoomed across the yard like a rocket. "Bingo! Stop it if you can," she shouted, her voice daring and playful. Bingo ran with all her speed, her paws kicking up little bits of grass, and bang! She trapped the ball right before it slipped away. The game had just begun, but the energy was electric. Bluey puffed her chest like a superstar. "Time for the ultimate challenge," she declared, pointing at 2 garden chairs. "These are the goals. Whoever scores 3 first wins the championship." Bingo's eyes widened. "You're on." The match was fast, wild, and hilarious. Bluey zigzagged with clever tricks, making Bingo trip over her own paws. Bingo fought back, defending fiercely, sliding across the ground with determination. Suddenly, thud. The ball smacked into the chair. "Goal!" Bluey screamed, raising her arms. But Bingo wasn't ready to lose. She snatched the ball, dribbled with crazy speed, and kicked straight into Bluey's goal. 1-1, she shouted, dancing proudly. The tension built, each kick louder, each move faster. They laughed, they shouted, they played like real champions. Finally, Bluey scored the last goal. The backyard exploded with cheers, mostly from Bluey and Bingo themselves. Mum appeared, clapping. "What a game, girls," she said warmly. Bluey hugged the ball, smiling. "Best match ever." Bingo nodded with shining eyes. And hey, if this game made you smile, imagine the next adventure. Stick around, because you won't want to miss it.